A lot of men think that when a woman leaves, it happens out of nowhere. One day, everything seems fine, and the next, she's packing her bags or telling you it's over. But the truth? A woman almost never leaves on a whim. By the time she physically walks out the door, she has usually been emotionally leaving you for months, if not years. She didn't leave because of that last minor argument. She left because of the 100 conversations she tried to have before that, where she felt completely unheard. If you are in a relationship right now and you think everything is peaceful just because she stopped complaining, you need to listen closely. Today, we are going to break down the 4 silent stages a woman goes through before she leaves, so you can recognize the warning signs before it's too late. Stage 1 is what psychologists call the over-explanation phase. This is actually the stage where she is fighting the hardest for the relationship. In this phase, she will tell you very clearly what is hurting her. She'll say things like, "I feel lonely when we sit in the same room but don't talk," or "I need more help around the house because I'm exhausted." To many men, this stage looks like nagging or complaining. But you have to understand, when a woman is criticizing or expressing frustration, she is giving you a roadmap to her heart. She is giving you the exact tools to fix the issue because she still believes you care enough to change. If you dismiss her, ignore her, or call her too dramatic during this stage, you push her right into stage 2. Stage 2 is the repeated disappointment. This is where she starts to internalize a painful realization that her voice doesn't matter to you. During this phase, she might still bring things up, but her tone changes. It goes from passionate explanation to quiet defeat. She watches your patterns. She notices when you make a promise to change, only to go right back to your old habits 3 days later. In this stage, she is testing the emotional safety of the relationship. She's asking herself, can I be vulnerable with this person without being shut down or ignored? When the answer keeps coming up as no, her hope begins to dry up. Then comes stage 3, and this is the most dangerous stage of all, the deafening silence. Many men mistake this stage for peace. They think, oh great, she isn't nagging anymore, she isn't upset, we haven't fought in weeks. But let me tell you a relationship secret. A woman's anger is a sign of care. Her silence is a sign of exit. When she stops arguing, stops asking where you're going, and stops trying to plan date nights, it's not because you won the argument. It's because she has decided that you are no longer worth the emotional energy. She has stopped trying to fix you, and she has started preparing herself to live without you. The final phase is stage 4, detachment and the exit. This is the phase where she does the mourning for the relationship while she is still physically living with you. She processes the heartbreak, she cries her last tears, and she mentally builds her future alone. By the time she finally walks up to you and says, "I'm leaving," she feels absolutely zero anger. She won't cry, she won't yell, and she won't give you another chance. And that is why it catches so many men off guard. They try to bargain, they promise to change now, but they don't realize the clock ran out months ago. Relationships don't end because love disappears overnight. They end because of a slow accumulation of small ignored moments. If you have someone who is still talking to you, still trying to fix things, cherish that voice. Listen to it and act on it. What do you think is the biggest warning sign a relationship is ending? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more relationship insights. See you next time!